Hey YouTube. So today I'm going to be replacing my mechanism for my Andersen casement window. Problem is, I'm trying to do this one-handed. See how this goes like this? It's not slipping here. It's the actual mechanism itself that's having a problem. So I need to replace that now. What I've already done actually, which I didn't show you, is I popped this off. This is the cover that goes on top. I popped this off. I ordered a new mechanism online. Basically the way this works is I've opened the window a little bit. We have a screw here, and then I have a clip over here. I'm going to unscrew the screw. I'm going to take off the clip. Here is my replacement mechanism that I am going to put on. So I'm going to unscrew that and start the process. Okay, so all I did was I put a screwdriver in between here and just popped this back, so this came off that way, so I'll be able to get this off here, and I've taken out the screw here. Now I should be able to just slide out the mechanism. Okay, YouTube, turns out I also had to take off this piece of molding, so you want to do that obviously carefully if it's nailed in. So you got the nail underneath there, and there were another couple down here. The reason why I had to do that is this screw here and a screw here, which I would not have been able to get to. So I'm gonna have to take out both those screws and then swap it out. Okay, I got the new mechanism in place. I'm just gonna put in some screws and reverse the process of putting this back on. Okay, so I just popped it on. I put this back forward again to hold it. Now we're gonna give it a test. I haven't put the molding back. I wanna make sure it works first, but now looks like it opens okay. Let me put everything back. Okay, YouTube. While I had it open, I also put some WD-40 to stop the squeaking. Much quieter, I can tell you that. But now I have the handle, everything is back on, and everything is working as it should. The replacement part for this cost me like $22 on the internet. So, you know, it's a very inexpensive fix. The window itself, it's an Andersen window. I'm sure that would have been very expensive to replace, but even getting somebody in to replace it, I'm sure would have been pretty expensive. So this is something, if you're comfortable doing stuff at home, you could certainly do yourself. Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.